Welcome to Arrange Wave. We're talking about how to automate tempo. Okay, our project is set to 75 beats per minute, and right here we want it to switch to 85 beats per minute. Okay, so we're going to go to Automate, click that, and go down to the master track or the main track, and we're going to go down to Song Tempo. We're going to add a point there and pull it up to 85 beats per minute. As soon as the playhead gets here, it'll jump up to 85 beats per minute. If you watch right here, you'll be able to see it change.
4.
Sometimes you'll want to do a gradual increase in tempo, maybe for a smoother transition into another song or another section of the song. So you can just pull that right over, and you'll see that as we go through this bar, it'll gradually increase from 75 to 85.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we could talk about next.